Delhi's air quality is plunged to the severe category post-Diwali celebrations. This even as the National Green Tribunal, along with several state governments, had put a ban on bursting crackers. Despite that, in many areas, you saw that rule being openly flouted. And as a result, Delhi's air has dipped to the severe category. Rohini has recorded the worst air quality. The AQI levels has touched 999 mark early this morning, 20 times over the normal category. Similarly, in Jahangirpuri and Mandir Marg, AQI has been recorded beyond the 700 mark, which means that the air pollution, the level at which it is at right now, will affect even healthy people and seriously impact those with existing problems. It's not just in Delhi, but the national capital region too that's been affected by the pollution post-Diwali. Gurugram and Faridabad have recorded AQIs in the severe category, while air in Noida and Greater Noida is in the very poor category.
Every year during Diwali, thick blanket of smoke covers Delhi NCR. This year was no different. The air quality dipped to severe category with the AQI level shooting past 500 mark late on Saturday evening.
Both the NGT as well as the Delhi government has banned bursting of crackers to keep pollution and the rising number of COVID cases in check. The Delhi government believes whenever we see a spike in pollution levels, that's when the COVID cases also rise.
Both National Green Tribunal and the Delhi government had banned use of firecrackers to keep pollution levels in check. While the ban order was largely adhered to, sound of firecrackers could be still heard at several places.
Despite a blanket ban on firecrackers and in fact green crackers in Delhi NCR, firecrackers are being used. We are right now at the border of Ghaziabad and Noida, and if we can hear the sound of crackers, and you can see at some distance the high rise, there is a layer of smog in the air right now. In Noida, the AQI is above 300, and in Ghaziabad, the AQI is above 500. Both are in hazardous category.
The spike in pollution levels could be particularly disastrous for Delhi, which is already battling surge in COVID cases. Experts are warning against any laxity at this juncture.
लोगों के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं लापरवाही का एलिमेंट भी आने लग गया है। आप देखिए कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा जमावड़े होने शुरू हो गए हैं, कम्युनिटी फंक्शंस बहुत ज़्यादा शुरू हो गए हैं। ऑल टाइम हाईएस्ट पीक चल रही है इस वक्त, 8000 केस के करीब रोज़ हो रहे हैं, जो कि पहले कभी नहीं हुए थे।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal led Diwali Pujan at Akshardham Temple. Kejriwal had appealed to Delhiites to join the puja, which was telecast live so as to prevent festive crowding. With Aishwarya Paliwal and Abhishek Anand in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Ashutosh Mishra is joining me live from Delhi with more updates on this. Ashutosh, for all of us who lived in the national capital, it was clear that the ban on crackers wasn't followed. There was a lot of crackers that were being burst in different parts of the capital. A result of that you also see in the dipping pollution levels now.
Good morning, Akshita. And yes, indeed, there have been massive violation of ban on these crackers, and not only in Delhi but entire NCR. However, there is one breather this morning for the people, as we have seen the AQI early morning, which was more than 900. In fact, at many places in the NCR, it was 999. And so crossing all the breach, there was a mild wind speed being recorded from 7 a.m. onwards, and that perhaps reduces significantly. And AQI overall in Delhi has dropped to 545. Though it's a breather, but that, the air pollutant level, that remains in a severe zone. And how it looks like in Lutyens, Delhi, if I just could take the camera and pan out to the shots at Vijay Path, Rajpath at Vijay Chowk, the India Gate, which is hardly 2 kilometers from this place, is invisible. So that explains the level of smog, the layer of smog which has gripped this entire region. There have been banned by the government, there have been banned by the NGT, but end of the day comes it's also to the people, those who are there, and you know, the awareness. If people are not aware about, they are not adhering to the rules, they are defying the rules, coming on streets with the crackers till late night. In fact, even in my area in central Delhi, it was massive violation of the crackers. The people with huge number were on the streets bursting crackers without caring about the pollution level or, you know, about their own kids. So clearly that has gone in the toss. It is all the smog that we are breathing this morning. Thankfully, it is the some mile speed of wind which has cleared us somewhat, but it has to be seen whether the situation will remain same, because mostly the topographic reasons have been a key player why this layer has clogged, particularly over Delhi and NCR.
Okay, Ashutosh, thank you for getting us that update. We'll continue to track the pollution levels being reported right now in the national capital.